So now let's see how we can work around with halftone effects inside of HitFilm. So over here you can see that I have this clip right here, and in order to apply the halftone effect, I'm going to go around under the effects right here, and then over here if I were to go around and scroll down under grunts, then you can see that halftone is an effect right here. If I were to go around and bring this in right over here on this particular footage right here, then you can see the halftone effect right here. So this seems like a comic book, as you can see right here, just like this, or a paper print right here, and that is what the halftone effect is. You can go around over here and select out a preset right here, just like this, like fine, or you can go around for heavy right here, just like this, or you can go around for old news and so forth right here, and just like this. You can go around and change around the angle as well. So let's just go around and change around the resolution right here. As you can see, you can go around and rotate it and so forth as well. You can also go around and change around the dot color right here, just like this. For example, you can go around and make it green right here, and you can go around and change around the paper color over here, just like this as well, and get the effect you want. Then you can see that you got the shift right here, as you can see, which allows you to go around and shift out the dots as you like. And there's offset over here as well, which allows you to go around how much dots you want to make visible. And you can also go around and make out the source smooth right here, just like this, or make it more sharp right here, just like this. And this is the halftone right here. Similarly, after halftone right here, you can also utilize, let's say, for example, halftone color. So let me just go around and delete this particular effect, and then I'm going to go around under effect, and here you can see that halftone color is an option. So if I were to go around and keep it, then you can see that you can go around and choose different halftone effect, as you can see, like here, right here, like heavy, like misaligned, and there's standard right here. And you can go around and choose RGB or CMYK, as you can see right here. You can work around with the resolution right here, and as per how you actually go around and select out the color, you can see that this is the effect that you have. You can change around the angle and change around the offset over here, just like this as well, and also have the same option right here, just like this. And then over here you can see that there's the red sign, so you can go around and shift it out, and you can see that this is the print effect that you get right here. So if I were to go for green and magenta, you can go around and change that out over here as well. And also blue and yellow, you can go around and change this out over here for the effect, as you can see right here. So you can go around and change that out right here, and then you can go for RGB, and similarly you can go around and change this out as well to get the effect that you want right here. So you can go around and change around the resolution as well, so you can really make it, let's say for example, like this as well, or you can go around and zoom it out, and that is the effect that you have, as you can see on how it actually looks. So that is how you can work around with halftone and halftone color effect inside of HitFilm to get the print effect, that is print like effect inside of your videos or clips inside of HitFilm. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.